Hello everyone, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. This time we will learn how to increase stitches with a hook. I have a sample made of 15 chain stitches, as well as a row of double crochets. We already know how to knit all of this, for those who are not aware. I will leave a link below the video. Let's move on to the next row. We will make 2 chain stitches for the rise. 1, 2, we will turn our work. In the next row, we will make 3 increases. At the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. Let's yarn over. We insert the hook into the first stitch of the previous row. We pull up the working yarn and make a regular double crochet. Again, we yarn over. We insert the hook into the same stitch of the previous row where we made the first double crochet and make 2 double crochets. This way, we turned 1 stitch into 2. This is the essence of all increases. This means we can increase not only in double crochets but also in single crochets. And in crochets with multiple yarn overs. So the principle remains the same. We crocheted several double crochets into 1 stitch of the previous row. Now let's crochet to the middle of the row and make an increase in the middle. In the middle of the row, we do the same. We yarn over. We crochet a double crochet into the next stitch. Now again yarn over and crochet double crochet in the same stitch as the first double crochet. This way, we make our increase. Let's make an increase at the end. At the end of the row, we do the same. We yarn over. We insert the hook into the last stitch of the chain. We crochet a double crochet, and after yarn over, we will crochet the second double crochet into the that same last stitch of the previous row, just like that. But at the end of the row, I usually do my increase differently. I make the increase not in the last stitch of the previous row, but in the second to last stitch. That is, I make the increase in this stitch. I crochet 2 double crochets here. And in the last stitch, I crochet a regular double crochet. I think this looks neater and more even at the edge. Well, give it a try. Experiment. Do what you like best. This is how increases are made. What do we do if we need to add several stitches at the edge of the fabric? Suppose we need to add 4 stitches in the next row. We will make 4 chain stitches and turn our work. Like this. After that, we make 2 chain stitches for lifting. 1, 2. And we will work double crochet stitches into those 4 chain stitches. That is, we make a yarn over, insert the hook into the 3rd stitch of the chain, since the first 2 stitches are our lifting stitches. I usually grab the front half stitch, which is closer to us. And I will work a double crochet stitch. Yarn over again, insert the hook into the next stitch of our chain, which is closer to us. I think it looks neater and prettier this way. And we work regular double crochet stitches. So we end up with 4 double crochet stitches. After that, we start working regular double crochet stitches into the stitches of the previous row. Like this. We have added 4 stitches here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one is our lifting stitches. If we need to add 5 stitches, we will work 5 chain stitches. 6 means 6 chain stitches. After that, we make 2 chain stitches for lifting, and we work our stitches into the chain stitches. I will finish to the end of the row. Upon reaching the end of the row, let's also add stitches from this side. This time let's add 5 stitches. We will work 5 chain stitches and turn our work. That is, we have made a sort of base for our future stitches. Now we will make 2 chain stitches for lifting. We will work our double crochet stitches. We insert the hook into the 3rd stitch of the chain. The first 2 stitches are lifting stitches. We create a double crochet. Next, in the following chain stitch, we make a 2nd double crochet. I insert the hook into the back loop of the chain. It is closer to us. I think this is better. This way, we have a flap. Here are 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th is our chain stitches. This lesson is finished. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. Subscribe, like, and see you at the next sessions.